Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee front grille. Giving your Jeep a fresh new look is easier than you might think, and we'll walk through each step together. This process is generally applicable to many Grand Cherokee models, ensuring you can confidently tackle this upgrade. We'll cover everything from preparation to the final installation, making sure you feel comfortable with the entire procedure. Let's get started and transform your vehicle's front end. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll typically need a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and possibly a small socket wrench. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother. Also, ensure you have a clean and well-lit area to work in, which helps prevent misplacing parts and ensures your safety. Taking a few minutes to prepare now will save you time and effort later on. Now, let's remove the old grille. Start by locating and carefully detaching any clips or screws along the top edge of the grille. A flathead screwdriver can help here. Next, use your trim removal tool to gently pry and release the lower clips that hold the grille in place. Work slowly and methodically to avoid breaking any tabs. Once all clips are free, the old grille should pull straight out with minimal effort. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully align the new grille with the mounting points on your Jeep. Make sure the lower tabs are lined up first, then gently push the grille into place until you hear the clips engage. Next, secure any upper clips or screws you removed earlier. Give the grille a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly seated and all connections are secure. Congratulations, your Jeep has a fresh new look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.